Okay,
You'll
ma'am.
get pissed off. Basically you will get pissed off with the argument, and you'll simply say that let us sort out this matter in front of CEO, okay? And then you will take him to the CEO.
Okay.
Is it clear?
Hindi?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, right. So Vishwanath and Mansi, people can start. Let us start with Vishwanath, okay? Yes, Vishwanath.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Hi, hi,
Uh,
ma'am. Good morning.
Hi, Vishwanath.
Good morning. Sorry.
Hi, Vishwanath. Please sit here. Good evening.
Uh,
Good evening. Please sit
um,
here.
ma'am, there is a requirement for 2 day leave due
Yeah,
to some.
Vishwanath. Actually, your voice are cracking. Hello.
Ma'am, there is a requirement. Are you audible?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah,
Hello.
please tell. Please tell.
Yes.
Ma'am, there is requirement for 2 days holidays because we already prepared for the same and we are waiting for the same for long time due to some urgency related to work. So we are unable to uh, do holidays in recent 2 or 3 months. So please provide me leave for 2 days uh, in the
In
next
which uh, in which date?
from next Monday,
In which date
almost
you
20.
want?
Yeah,
O- Okay, okay. But you know very well we have a project, so we have a important discussion with all teams to conduct this project and to final implementation on that project. So actually, on that day, I'm not taking you. I'm not giving you leave for 2 days on 2 days which you want,
uh, ma'am, you know that
so you can
plan.
manage.
Ma'am, I know
I know you have a plan.
I know the requirement of the
I know you
organization,
have a plan, but
but ma'am, I prepared it
you know, you know the
for
requirement of organization, so why do you plan for leave for 2 days on that day?
ma'am. It
You
is
know
planning
na.
for almost a month ago, and I know that organizations work is also
So
important,
what?
but as far as organization work is important, as per our personal work is also important, and we have committed with our family that we all go with
Okay,
holidays.
but
So I also
why do
commit with
you
my
tell?
family because they all have no.
Okay, I understand.
Yeah, but there
Okay.
is only 2 days, and I think in previously, you know that I completed work on time, and in the past we do not avail many. We don't avail many leaves. You can see our records, so you can provide me the leave for 2 days, so I can altogether as I committed with my family to go with the trip of holidays, so I can complete with them.
Okay, okay. I understand your plan, but why do you tell before 1 week? If you have a plan for because you know the deadline of this project, so why do you tell on that day? You know this project is very important for our organization, so uh, I can't give you leave for 2 days on that day. So please, you can manage. Otherwise you can take leave for next week.
Sorry.
I know you are the dedicated person. I know you handle all work pressures
But
and you can complete task
but
on time.
ma'am, trip is.
So
But ma'am, I assume leave will be granted by you. So I plan the trip as earlier. So and I book the tickets of that day. So
how
it is
that
not be.
how can that possible? You know that project is very important for us. So how can you think I granted
How
Ma'am,
a
can
leave for 2 days?
Mansi,
ma'am,
You can use a line here. How can you predict the future? How can you predict about the
Okay,
holidays? That I would grant you the leave. That I would grant you the
okay.
leave. क्योंकि prediction आ गया तो we will use would कि मैं तुम्हें grant कर देती leave. Okay, I would.
okay, yeah, it's a mistake of my part because I assume that because leave is only for 2 days, so I think it will be manageable and our team members are also is capable to do the project. So I think in our absence, they can complete the project well on time. So I think that organization is. Uh, I think the work is completed by our teammates. So work is not
But
to be hampered.
you think project is very important and you can lead this project. So how can I granted you a leave, and how can predict the future for 2 days leave?
Ma'am, you know that personal work is also important and family life is also important. I know that project is completed by our teammates, which is junior to me, and they are well
You,
trained and well guided by me and the organization that in our absence they can complete the project well on
but
time.
your presence is very important for that day,
Yeah, I
because
know it,
all
but
team members and all staff members and our CEO is also present on that day. So how can possible?
ma'am, I know the
How is it
importance of the
possible?
project, but please consider
How
it
is it
as
possible?
on please consider it as on urgency basis because I know it's lacuna on our part that we will not well inform on time regarding their our
Urgency,
holiday.
how urgency, how you told me
Urgency
you
means
are
that I
planning
committed my family.
planning 2 days leave for 2 to.
Urgency
Mansi, what
regarding
was this?
because I commit my family to we all go with the trip and
You
so
can
it's a
discuss
commitment
with
of
me on that day
yeah I
when you
apologize I
Now
apologize
take this
for
matter. Now take this matter to Ashu.
okay, okay, let's discuss this matter to our CEO so he can handle. We would granted leave or not. So let's discuss with
He
him.
would he would grant the leave or not? Yes, right.
Hi sir.
Hello, Mansi. How are you?
I am good, sir. How are you?
Great, Irfan. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay,
Tell
sir.
me.
Sir, actually, I need to discuss this running project, which is very important for us. So, one of my team member, uh, uh, which this project is handling by him, so that he want 2 days
Mansi,
leave
I'm not
for
able. I'm not
deadline of this
able
project.
to.
So, actually, I denied because
Mansi, you're not audible clearly. Hold for a second. Mansi, there is some network issue. Hold. Now speak something again.
hello.
Try to speak a
Hello.
sentence. Hmm.
Hello.
Yes, Mansi, continue.
Yeah, sure. Sorry. Yeah, sir.
Where has sir gone to grant the leave?
Hello.
Ashu sir, are you there?
Yes, continue.
Um,
Yeah,
Yes,
please,
continue.
please tell.
Continue.
Hello.
Yes, Mansi. Yes, continue.
Yes, yes. Please tell me.
Yeah, sir. Actually, I denied him for that day. So please,
Okay.
I need your advice. So please, I need to discuss. Vishwanath is also here with us. So you can continue with our discussion with him.
On Mansi, first of all, tell me what particular day you want to be leave. What particular day you want to be leave?
Actually,
On which
next Monday and
particular day
Tuesday.
or date? Yes. On which particular day or dates does he want the leave? Because this is the question. So does will come first and then he. Does he want the leave?
Okay.
22nd
On
of
which
January.
particular day does you want to be leave?
Uh, that day is Monday and Tuesday.
Okay, it means weekday.
Hello.
So how? So what is your suggestion? First of all, you tell me what is your suggestion, because you are the team leader, you are the apparent
Actually,
authority. So,
I suggested him for not to take leave on that 2 days after the project is completed and implementation is also done. After that, he had taken leave for 2 days.
okay, your suggestion is good also. Let us hear what Vishwanath wants. Or Vishwanath, please.
So actually, it's a part of, as earlier I said, I committed with my family and that regarding holiday, and it is some urgent. It is a trip which schedule, uh, which is not pre-planned. It is not pre-planned, so we are unable to communicate with them well on time. I know it, but I request you to consider our leave because I know in our absence, no work will be hampered and the project will continue. It's our assurance that our teammates who is well trained, they will complete it well on time. And I also, uh, uh, I also go on leave. I also go.
So, Mr. Kumar, first of all,
Actually,
you
sir,
tell me.
he is a
Just
actually,
a
sir,
minute,
he
ma'am.
is
Please, just a minute.
a main person
I
of.
want to ask you something.
Okay.
Just a minute, please. Just a minute. Mr. Kumar, please tell me, did you inform 2 days before or 3 days before whatever
2 days
company
early.
norms are there? Whatever
Hmm.
2 days earlier, whatever company norms are there, you have to
Hmm.
follow company norms. You can't go on your emotions. You can't work on your emotions in a company. So
Hmm.
please tell me, did you informed or not, earlier or not?
Yeah, I know earlier well on time because I know its project is important, but there is some when because leave is for a small days only for 2 days. So I think it can be considerable, and I request you to please consider it.
Mr. Kumar, I told you company is not working on emotions. First of all, yes. Second thing, clients and vendors are also working on their guideline, on their deadline, whatever we had given to them, or whatever we accepted by the project, on the project. So we can't say, give them excuses that Mr. Kumar has something in his family, so please give us 2 days, 3 days leave, or to wait for 2 3 days. No, no, this is not going. This is not a business time. You have to inform earlier to your team leader, your seniors also. So okay, tell me what happened to your family, so I can if I can do something.
No, it's not happen
Please tell me.
anything with family. It's all about that I because of our working life, and our working life is very stressable, and we are all working with almost 10 to 7 8 p.m. So uh, because in last 1 year we can go with our family with a vacation. So I immediate uh, plan will decide that we need some vacation by our family, that we would go for vacation for some times. And so I request you to please grant with it.
Okay, Mr. Kumar, I understand your feeling that you want to spend some time with your family. So for that, if I'll give to you 2 days leave, then another employee will play the same role regarding that. Whenever they want holiday, they will come and say, come to their senior and tell them that I want to go and please don't interrupt me. Already Mr.
No, no,
Kumar
sir.
had done.
Their exceptions are.
You are setting an example. You are setting an example of company which ever I don't want to be in my company. So please, this is not going to happen. If anything happens in your family, then I can get anything to do with your problem. But whatever you are giving excuses, it's not hearable for the company.
Okay, hold
So
for a
Miss
second.
Mansi, I don't
Yes,
they
Ashu,
deserve to be
give
on
a
a holiday.
closure. Yes, Ashu, give the closure to Mansi.
I'm
Yes,
giving
sir.
to her. Mansi,
Actually,
so
actually,
we can't allow anyone person to that excuses. So whatever you think, I will give it to you. My हामी को क्या इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं हामी
Kisko?
my essence.
hello.
I will give it to my essence.
What?
Whatever your
What was the word?
whatever whatever you are going to take. I'm not giving. आप जो भी decision, whatever you will take decision, I will give my essence.
Yes, SN.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, हामी
Okay.
भरना, हामी भरना. ठीक है. Okay.
Okay.
Fine. Excellent,
Yes,
all
sir.
of you.
Actually,
Mansi,
yes, ma'am.
Mansi, we'll continue tomorrow. It's already 9:01. Okay. Another class is about to get started.
Okay,
So
okay.
no problem. Enough for today. Excellent, all of you. Be ready for tomorrow because tomorrow we'll be doing narration topic related to this only, this role play. It was very necessary to do this role play today. Okay. So be ready tomorrow. Bye. Take care. Good night.
Take care. Good
Good night,
night.
everyone.
Thank you. Good night. Good night.